Well, last fall I had to tarp this roof. You see we did a tarp job. It's kind of got a unique angle to it at the end because this roof had rotted sheeting that was accepted by a loan inspection and an appraisal. And you can see the plywood is pretty well shot, falling apart, multiple pieces. And here's what we got up here. Just because the appraiser said it was okay, there's so much water damage on this side. The other side was okay, but this side was just damaged to beat heck. And so we're going to resheet it, add some insulation, put a steel roof up here, change the ridge cap out. We're going to just have us a really good time. They accepted that this tar paper you see here was an acceptable roof on top of tar paper with tar on it on top of wet, soggy plywood. For some reason, the appraiser and the inspector and the mortgage company who mortgaged the house said that was a-okay. I think they lied. Anyway, we'll keep on with another video tomorrow. I'm going to get back to work. Just because it's hot out don't mean I get to quit working. There you go.